Hi guys, welcome to the new tutorial. Today we'll be discussing about Eureka as a discovery client. In the cloud services, like in Spring Cloud component, we have different features that is provided Spring to help the service to work better and handle. There are many common issues to handle. That the Spring Cloud component helps us to move the service to the cloud map. So today we'll be discussing this Eureka, this discovery client, and let me tell you about what exactly is Eureka discovery client in the cloud environment. The most important part of the service architecture is how the once a microservice will interact to the other microservice. So that should be a particular service which will be holding all the details about the services. So the disk client here, it's a notebook for all the services or services, and they need to register to that Eureka. So in my previous tutorial on like how to create a microservice using the, in second tutorial we are having and going to create a discovery service and how the other service can register to that service. Okay, so the microservice, if you can see this one we have created in our last tutorial. So refer that create how to create a microservice. So in this tutorial showing the demo for the Eureka. So we have created a sample service. So we have injected the required dependencies to work as a Eureka server, and the mandatory part in our application file, this service has to be fed with enable Eureka server. So what it will do, this service will be treated as the disk client server, and the services, they will be having the Eureka in their dependency. They need to register to our Eureka server. Okay, so this is the simple Eureka server service. Let me start this service and we'll go and we'll see like how the discovery server console looks. So Eureka discovery client, this is actually a open source, is being created by Netflix. It has very good integration with the Spring Boot cloud components. So I'm just starting my server and it's 8761. So just starting up. Yes, it is started. So go to the required endpoint to access the Eureka console. It's running on 861. So let's see it and let it out. Here we go, like we can see the Eureka console. So we will see, like we'll try to this is the dashboard of the Eureka, and where all required microservice will be shown here. Instances currently registered to Eureka. So here all the service that we are going to register, that is going to be listed out over here. Okay, so let's see like how we can register a particular service to this Eureka. So this is the Eureka service we have, and we have other microservice, sample microservice, which we have its card as the client starter Eureka. So how registration happen? Whenever we need to enable this with the annotation, and the Eureka server we have enabled with the Eureka server, and this the other microservice that have annotated with enable discovery. Okay, so when this is enabled, annotated with this enabled client, after the service gets set, this will give the particular it defines some endpoint called Eureka server, and server listen to this request and enter this particular service into the. Okay, we have some configurations. We need to put particular demo service its application name. So with this service name, this is going to be registered in Eureka server. So let's start. Already we have this Eureka server running. So now I'm starting this demo service I'm expecting this to get registered in the Eureka. In the cloud environment, we have many microservices. So everybody to be registered to this discovery server. So that the instant will happen. So this was a phone book for a particular microservice. Where exactly the port. So everything it will be all this required information will be available in Eureka. So I could see the discovery client logs executed in the server, And if I'll go to the demo microservice, I could see some log related discovery client. It provide all these details to our Eureka server to register the application. Refresh this Eureka server, Eureka console, and let me see if we can see our service. So you can see the demo service is being registered here. In our cloud environment, any other service wanted to call this service, so they have to come via Eureka service. They can connect to Eureka first to get all these details about the service, then they to this to put request to this demo service. Thanks for watching this video. We'll come with few more uh, uh, microservice architecture in future. Please, if you then like, subscribe for further update on our YouTube channel to get more YouTube videos. Thank you all. Thanks for watching.